Hello and welcome to cLab tutorial number 2.1, which is all about solid waste disposal. In this video, we'll show you how to properly dispose of various solid waste materials generated in the lab. That includes cardboard, tubes, glass, soil samples, aluminum, and PET bottles. To help you navigate this video, we've added time tags in the video description. You can use them to jump straight to the waste category you're looking for.
Proper waste separation is not just about keeping the lab tidy. It's also crucial for safety, sustainability, and compliance with disposal regulations. So let's go through each material type one by one.
Cardboard should be handled in two ways, depending on its size. Smaller cardboard items, like packaging from lab equipment or consumables, can be placed in the blue basket located in the main lab. Larger cardboard boxes should be flattened before disposal. Once they're flat, place them in the space between the cooling cabinet and the wall.
Above the cardboard, you'll find two containers, one to dispose of aluminum and one for PET bottles.
If possible, please compress the bottles, put the caps back on, and place them in the container.
Next, we will look at how to properly dispose of glass waste. The glass waste container is located in the washroom, room -106B. Glass items such as broken pipettes, slides, or empty glass containers must first be rinsed with tap water if they contained any chemical. After rinsing, place them in the designated glass waste container.
Tubes have to be disposed of correctly as well. We'll show you how.
If they contain any liquid, pour it out following the correct liquid waste disposal procedure. If you're unsure how to do this, refer to cLab tutorial 2.2 on liquid waste disposal. Once the tube is empty, rinse it thoroughly with tap water. Then place it, with the cap removed, into the blue plastic containers located in the washroom, room -106B. The cap must remain off to allow the tube to dry properly.
If there's soil left inside the tube, here's what you need to do. First, decant any remaining liquid into the correct liquid waste container.
If the soil is uncontaminated and comes from a local source, you can rinse it out using the sink with the soil collection basin in room -104.
If the soil in the tube is contaminated or foreign, it must be disposed of in the designated soil waste bucket. This will be shown in the next part of the video. After that, the tubes can be rinsed and, as previously explained, discarded in the blue containers.
So, as the last part of this tutorial, let's take a look at how to properly dispose of soil samples. Soil disposal takes place in the sample preparation room. That's room -105C.
In total, there are 4 white buckets, and every soil sample needs to be assigned to one of these 4 categories. These are uncontaminated local soil, contaminated local soil, uncontaminated foreign soil, and contaminated foreign soil. Now, why do we make this distinction? The reason is simple. All soil from outside Switzerland, even if it's clean, has to be autoclaved before disposal. That's a legal requirement to prevent the spread of invasive species or pathogens. On the other hand, contaminated soil has to be treated as hazardous waste. So really, these 4 categories are all we need. We don't want to see every group creating their own disposal bucket again. And then the room ends up looking like this.
To protect yourself and others, soil must always be disposed of under the fume hood. Before you start, plug in the hood and turn on the light and ventilation using the switches underneath. Then take the correct bucket, place it inside the hood, open the lid, and dispose of your soil samples carefully. Once you're done, close the bucket tightly and switch off the hood again and return the bucket to its designated place.
That's it for part 1 of our waste disposal guide. Thanks for watching and for doing your part to keep our lab clean, safe, and environmentally responsible. For anything related to liquid waste, check out cLab tutorial number 2.2 about liquid waste disposal. See you in the next video.